Good morning. Here in the tent, it rained at night. So, this is how we are sleeping now. That it's day, you can see it. It rained quite a bit. So, I'm expecting everything outside to be like wet. These are the hand warmers we're using. Oh, it's still warm. The good part is that I wasn't feeling very cold with this, and then being all packed up the way that I was not feeling very cold. I have this, and then I have another t-shirt, and then another warmer. So that makes it pretty comfortable. Let's see. This is what it looks like outside. We're gonna go step out right now. So you can see the snow, all the rain that turned into ice over here. Now you can see the campsite during the day. This is the river, and this is our campsite. This is what we are doing. This is the fire from last night. It's pretty cool. I don't know where my friends are at. I see one guy here. I'm also gonna go now use the washroom, get freshened up. It's pretty cool to be over here and camp overnight. It's fucking cold right now as well. It's freezing. There's a chilly wind, and it's cold. It was cold, but I slept pretty peacefully actually. Like, air mattress really helped, and it made it quite comfortable, and even the sleeping bag that I had kept us quite warm. Look at this. This ice. Oh yeah. Still pretty cold. This is the campsite. These are the other campsites. I think it was not very visible during the night because we reached very, very late. But during the day, I think it's much more visible. So here's campsite number 4. We are on campsite number 3. Man. Those, by the way, are the washrooms. So you can go in and use the washrooms. Very convenient. That's one thing that you might struggle to use over here. I love that it's right beside the river. So I think we're going to try and do some fishing. Let's see how that goes. There's someone trying to put up a fire. Yeah, I just used the bathroom. And now I'm heading back. So this is like the road. There's some houses over there. This is the river. It's absolutely beautiful morning. So calm, peaceful, cold. It's really, really cold. I think camping like this feels really, really rewarding, and it's almost like you're challenging your mind and your body in ways that are different and unique. And I think that really is a large part of the appeal for me to do this. Oh, there's a map over here. Let's see. See, again, in America, you'll find these facilities so nicely made and so nicely maintained. That's crazy. Men, women, and children operated mule-powered canal boats carrying coal, lumber, and other goods. It's a long trail all around the river. This is one part of the trail, and it goes all the way down to Brunswick. And this is the trail. There are like multiple camps and places to park all around it, which is so wonderful. Fuck, dude. I didn't feel that cold last night. I don't know, did you?
A little bit.
In the morning, I could hear animals. I don't know if you guys heard it as well. Like, probably like, I don't know.
There was something.
There was something here, right?
Bird.
There was some bird here. Yeah, I could hear the bird. Like this is at
Loud
probably like
walking. Yeah.
6 in the morning or something, 6 or 8, 7 o'clock in the morning.
Did you hear that? It's not connected. That's why it's not starting.
I don't know if you can hear the bird, but there's some bird that we can hear. And it's freezing cold. It's very, very cold.
People swing into the river.
What are those for? Like fish or what?
I think it's for swinging.
For?
Yeah, you climb up, you pick it up, and then you swing into the river.
Oh, okay.
I could be wrong.
Yeah, possible.
The river's probably higher now too.
Did you not sleep in your jacket?
No.
I slept in my jacket, dude. That's probably why I was feeling warm.
The only reason I don't do this is because I want my bag to get as warm as it can.
I slept just like this, like just without my shoes.
Close. You slept with some bags in my bag, okay. On that water, man. Whistling too. There's a lot of people. These are pussies.
This is a butane stove.
You don't. That's not for this. That's for a different stove. But what we can use is, and I'll get. See if it,
How much does this thing cost? The stove?
oh, I got it for $20 up in Canada.
You're killing me.
Dude, usually they're a lot.
This does not cost that much.
Usually
That's
they're
nice.
a lot. Usually they're a lot more. I've seen these usually go for like 70. Put that.
It doesn't let it light.
Grab the fork and things.
So all the fuel is just like escaping, not lit. So it's a waste of fuel as well. Nice. Now we got something going.
Oh, flip it. See how it works.
You don't want to flip it too early. Then it doesn't.
What's the coffee looking like? Is it warming up? Or is it not? The coffee.
It normally takes a while anyway, but
No, it's yeah. I was just checking if it is not.
But,
The wind is not fucking it over. You'll also get like these small little things that you can just put right in the store, like windshields of sorts.
yeah, I'll have to do that. But it's still blowing around from something.
Bacon as a breakfast option is surprisingly. I don't do a lot of red meat. It's a surprisingly tasty,
Everyone loves bacon.
yeah, and versatile option for breakfast. I can imagine having that for sure. It's greasy as fuck. I think that's the challenge.
Yeah.
It's really greasy. Like it's just cooking in its own in its own fat.
Matt also had us get like the thickest cut too.
Oh yeah, the more grease, the better.
Yeah.
The toast should fry like super fast, so watch
Yeah.
for it to.
Yeah, and this is like brioche bread, so it'll fry even faster.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Let's see if we get this shit. This normally takes a while even with this at full blast, so it's just because you're boiling water.
Right, so we're gonna wrap up now and go back. And unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to do other stuff, but that's for next time. Bardak, say bye.
Right?
The whole camping trip was courtesy Matthew Hollis. Thank you so much for getting us out here.
No problem. My pleasure.
Now, thousands of people are going to see this very soon. Starting to get more pleasant, the weather. Getting warmer now, yeah. I love your bag.
Bags. Pulled it out.
Sorry?
Did you get the sleeping pad thing? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, they both.
Yeah, now I have to wrap up the sleeping bags.
Okay. Where's the...
I was saying I really love your bag. It looks very nice. The
It's
bag.
Oh yeah, isn't it? I
The
got
backpack,
I got a
yeah.
marketplace.
It's very nice.
Like old school.
Yeah. It's got a nice. Was this already a part of the thing? The axe.
No, that's those
Holder?
loops, those holders are, yeah. But
Oh,
obviously
nice.
that-
It's a good looking bag. Should we start carrying stuff to the car, or how do you want to do it?
Are you putting those tarps? Are you putting them in this thing?
No, we don't put them in because it's so damn dirty. Put them on top. Leo's though can stay with that too.
What do you want to do with this firewood?
Leave it here.
Leave it here.
Yep.
So then we should take this. Yeah. Matt, when are you planning to go out for like 4 days? End of this week?
Yeah.
Do you have like a holiday coming up or what?
No, I'm using my floating holiday time off.
Oh, okay. So this was good prep work for that.
Yeah, so now I know what I need to do. Worrying about mainly just how fucking am I gonna cook.
I think you should get that wind shield for sure.
Yeah.
That'll really help. Dude, these bathrooms are like too funny. There's just like, there's nothingness.
Yeah.
You're shitting into nothingness.
Yeah.
No, I think this is how it should be. I think, like,
It's fine for like a day or two, but if you go for like a week, like I would used to go, it's nice to have a shower.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Exactly. No, I agree. That makes sense.
Plus, we'd go in the summer, so we'd go like swimming.
Yeah. Okay.
My parents have a really nice tent. It's like 2 rooms, 2 like
Oh, one of those huge ones.